Atlantis Aquaventure. I'm not sure if my voice is audible or not. So yeah, we are going for a few rides. It's a water park. It's a part of Atlantis, the hotel. So let's go and explore. And that's my sister, Nanny. So yeah, let's go. So we have changed our clothes and now we are going to the first tower, which is Tower of Neptune. So there are, I think, 2 or 3 towers for different rides. So each tower has 3 to 4 rides. So now we are going to take our first ride. And yes, in this video one thing you'll learn is that मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा डरपोक हूँ. Like I can't even tell you कि मैं कितनी ज़्यादा डरपोक हूँ. आई डिडंट रियलाइज़. मैंने इंडिया में काफ़ी सारे राइड्स किए हैं, लाइक नॉर्मल वाले स्लाइड्स वगैरह, बट ओनली इन एक्वावेंचर आई गॉट टू नो व्हाट अ कावर्ड आई एम. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द राइड्स ऑफ एटलांटिस एक्वावेंचर, वो जो आप नीचे गिरते हो तब लेज़ी रिवर पूल में ही कनेक्ट होता है. तो ये पूरा का पूरा जो लेज़ी रिवर है वो काफ़ी लंबा है. इट्स क्वाइट लॉन्ग एंड बीच बीच में देर आर सर्टेन राइड्स, नॉट राइड्स, एक्सपीरियंसेस यू कैन से, वेव इफेक्ट एंड ऑल दैट आर देयर. सो यू विल इन्जॉय अगर आप बस लेज़ी रिवर पूल में ही रहना चाहते हो. सम पीपल लाइक हु आर लिटिल एज्ड या फिर जिनको वो एक्साइटिंग, थ्रिलिंग, एड्रेनल रश वाला स्लाइड और राइड्स नहीं करना है, सो दे कैन जस्ट चिल एंड रिलैक्स बाय द लेज़ी रिवर पूल. शायद से मुझे यहीं पे रहना चाहिए था, बिकॉज इस पूरे वीडियो में मैं बस आपको चीखते चिल्लाते ही पाऊँगी. सो येस, या, सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद द वीडियो नाउ एंड सी व्हाट हैपेंस फर्दर. This is like a wave river, no? Did the water go inside your mouth? We are almost there. Do we get down here or you want to still go? Let's see where it takes. Where it takes it. So that's the Atlantis hotel over there. I'm not sure if it's visible from the GoPro that I'm taking this shot, but if it is, then this is that Atlantis hotel. Let's go. This way. No, this way. Say hi. No, are you serious? You go. Is it recording? Yes. Oh God. But how will you tell me if it's scary or not? Can I just see from here? Good luck. Yeah, bye. Bye. Is it like literally like this?
But it will take only 5 seconds.
Huh? How many seconds?
5 seconds.
5 seconds?
Yeah, okay ma'am. Lie down, cross your legs, hug yourself up. Just close your eyes, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
अब इन भाई साहब को मैं क्या ही बताऊँ, 90 डिग्री बोलते ही मैं हक्का बक्का हो गई थी. अब मैं ये राइड कैसे कर पाऊँगी? Okay, no, I don't wanna go. He wants to go, he'll go. You wanna go? Oh God. No, you can go.
It's scary, it's scary. Try. I appreciate it.
Oh, no, it's
How will
okay.
you know?
Did you try this?
Yeah, I got it.
How was it?
It's not as scary when you get on. When you start, it's pretty scary, but when you get on, it's not.
Like scary for 5 seconds?
When you're going down,
5 seconds, it's over.
try.
Oh God.
Try, no problem.
Oh God.
Try, just close your eyes, no problem. Just waiting for you there.
Oh God. No need to push me, I will go.
Cross your legs.
No, actually no, I don't want to try. Sorry. No, I'm not trying. I'm not trying.
No. Okay, you can go.
These kids are going to try this?
Yeah.
We've been on it.
Huh?
We've been on it.
You have been in it?
Yes.
How scary is it?
Not that scary.
Not that scary.
No.
Okay, first I'll see you all and then I'll get on it.
I didn't even scream.
Oh God. You didn't even scream?
No. But when you go down the shafts, it's like easy. But when you go down, like right down, on the first part, close your eyes. Like when they go down, don't.
It's so scary?
It's so scary. It's the thing that scares me most is high up.
Oh my God. You guys are making me more scared.
It's like a big slide with water on it. You don't need to be scared because when you do it, the first time I did it, I did 4 times more. So I just I only did it 1 time.
Did you guys close your eyes?
No, yeah, no.
Okay.
Not a single bit. Only when I was at the top.
Let me see him. How he goes.
Try, no problem, try. Okay, cross your legs. Hug yourself.
Good luck.
Lie down. After you.
Oh my God.
I promise you, it's not scary.
Stand up.
Whoa.
It's not scary.
Oh God.
It's a big slide.
It's not scary?
No.
Okay, I'll go next time.
You want to go next?
Yeah.
Or can I?
You can go.
Hold on.
You go or I go?
You're gonna
You
send
go.
him first, huh?
Yeah. Let him go. Then I think he will go. You're not going next? Oh God, it's so scary. You wanna go next?
Yes.
Okay.
Hug yourself.
And then
Okay.
all the people there, all the grown-ups scream, all the kids doesn't.
I think the grown-ups are more scary and the kids are like, I don't know. They have the guts to do it.
My mom screamed and my mom screamed, but I didn't.
Wow. You seem to be more courageous than your mom.
No,
So who's going next now? You?
I am.
She wants to go.
I know.
Lie down, hug yourself, cross your legs, huh?
Good luck.
Okay.
Wow.
You next? Okay. Wait for the green light, huh? Hug yourself, huh? Wait for the green light.
Wow. I'll go?
Wait, hold on. Wait for the
Okay.
green
Yeah. Oh God. Same here. Yeah. Oh god. Oh god. Thank you. It was scary. I screamed. How do you guys do it?
Okay, ladies, stand for me on the blue.
Is it recording? Yes.
Stand for me on the blue.
Should I have to sit in the front? Oh god, why always me?
Orada уже по одному.
Oh, it's the longest one, no? Oh god. Yay! We made it! Thank you! Okay, it was not very scary also. The scariest one was the leap of faith, I think, no? And the other one that we are going to do. Where, frankly, I think, fine, that one also scary. Leap of faith. Okay. I think it's the same lazy river we are getting connected to every time. We will get down, okay? Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you? Oh,
You're from where? India?
India, right?
Oh, very good, huh?
Where are you from?
From Canada.
Okay. Have a great day.
Okay, see you.
See you too. It's so dark. Oh god, it's so dark. And it's so roller coaster. Oh wow. Go little आगे.
Marango, right? Let's go. Thank you.
Nanny, how does it feel? Awesome. Poseidon's Revenge it is. Show that. So she's gonna go to this one. Can you guys see? So it's almost 90 degrees. So she'll be inside the glass tunnel. What? This side? This side? This is exit. No, this only. So this is the Poseidons Revenge. This is the only scariest ride which my sister felt apparently, and for me all the rides were scary, and this definitely is like the top one, which I couldn't do because you have to be 50 plus, like 50 kgs and above, to do the particular ride, otherwise it's not allowed. Good luck! So guys, this is Leap of Faith ride, slide actually. So this is the ride that I was scared of. I took so much of time with the kids. So it's kind of scary, and yes, this is the lazy river pool which connects to most of the rides. So yes, it's quite long. So now we will go. And have our lunch, and also change the battery for the GoPro because one is not sufficient. So how was the experience of Poseidon's Revenge? Good. It was good? Yes. Isn't it scary?
Not that.
Not that? So the first 5 seconds is like a little scary.
Yes.
And after that it's fine.
It's okay, normal.
Normal. And you'll end up in the sharks aquarium, like underwater, the sharks aquarium. Okay. So let's go and have now something because I'm starving, she's not. So yeah. Though she has done the maximum rides, but yeah. Let's go. How was the experience at Atlantis?
Good.
It was good. What are you going to have now?
I'm going to have 2 pieces of fried chicken with cheesy fries, Coke,
Okay.
and we will be having masala dosa.
Masala dosa.
All
That's right.
Indian.
Cool. So this is the view, guys. So we did most of our rides over there. So there are a lot of fun activities over here, and there's a lazy river pool over here. So it's all fun. There's anaconda, there's some zoom rank or whatever. Zoomerang, right? Zoomerang. Slithering. Slithering as well. Let's show you. So we came from here. And then this was the lazy river pool.